So you're trying to hide your head?
Yeah.
Alright. Then you're good. Put your finger in the finger.
Right now.
Yeah. So,
Is there anything else? Just
dog.
wires.
The dog.
I like this way better than Black Man.
Yep.
I like that as a light.
Nintendo.
Looks good.
Yeah. I just need the game.
Yep. I guess.
Kind of like this blue color.
Okay.
I'm gonna record that. I'm like, oh, that's weird. I missed your vision.
Misfits kickstand. There you go. The Americas?
Yeah.
Why is it
Mm-hmm.
Connect to TV?
Mm-hmm.
Slide it out?
All right.